guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this repetitive glitch effect on CapCut PC. So go to videos and add the video that you want to edit. So I'm just going to edit this one, and you're just going to go to the part where you want it to glitch. So for instance, like here, let me just see a little bit better. Okay, maybe like here. Just going to split it and then just split it again. So make the part really small and just split it twice from the beginning till the end. And you're just going to copy and paste it a few times. And you're just going to keep adding it there. As much as you want, so it looks like a glitch. If you want the clip to be faster, you can just select these clips, right click, create compound clip. Go to speed and adjust the speed a little bit to make it faster. Then you are going to go to effects, and you're going to go to video effects, and you're going to go to glitch, and you're going to find the glitch effect. It's up to you which one you want to use. Maybe this one, this one. It's totally up to you which one you want to use. You can adjust these things, but that's basically it. As you can see, it creates this repetitive glitch. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!